Hello guys, today I just want to give you the best tips and tricks for beginners for Ranch Simulator, okay? Now, there's several things that you have to consider in order to make the best profit and to be the best player that you can be. But the first one, in my opinion, is going to be to finish your tutorial and your early quest, okay? Because they're going to give you items such as ammo, tools, and money. And in my opinion, if you want to hunt more seriously, you absolutely need the rifle, which is unlocked or is actually locked until you do a couple of missions, okay? So in my opinion, it's very important for you to actually get to this point. So just prioritize your quests. Now, besides that, I'm gonna recommend that you actually start with chickens or a couple of pigs, okay? So you can just come to the software stores I'm showing you in here, okay, to the general store basically. And you can start to buy like a couple of maybe chickens or a couple of pigs because these are very cheap to buy and they're very quick to convert into income such as eggs or meat, okay? In my opinion, the pigs are gonna breed fast and are a solid early investment, even better than, maybe cows or something like that, okay? And chickens are very good because they're gonna give you like daily income, which is in the form of eggs. Now, besides that, I also recommend in the same general store or hardware store that you invest in processing. So, for example, you can buy like a meat grinder or a stove or a curing rack. And this is going to allow you basically to increase the value that you get from the meat of the animal, okay? Because, for example, you're going to be able to now make like sausages and cheese, and this is going to give you like a far better yield for or higher returns basically than just the meat or the milk or things like that, okay? Or just the eggs. So yeah, this is something that you can absolutely do, guys. Now also, let's talk about doing the side quests daily, okay? If you do all of the daily side quests, they're gonna give you like a great cash injections and access to items such as, like different ammos, different, rifles, and so on, so on. And some quests are even gonna log some equipment that you're gonna need later on to be more efficient. Okay, so keep that in mind. Keep in mind that you can do like, for example, the hunter quest daily, and this is gonna give you a lot of cash as well. Now, let's also talk about saving and sleeping. As you can see right now, it's at night. I purposely recorded at night because I want to show you a cool feature, which is that you can actually save and you can skip the night cycle by getting to the hardware store and just buy like an inflatable mattress, as you can see in here, which looks like this. And that's good because it's going to allow you to basically, sleep and get in the morning, okay? Which is great because, playing at night is kind of a little bit of painful because, you don't see anything and it doesn't look as good. So yeah, you always want to play in the morning. And yep, that's pretty much it, guys. The last step that I want to give you is to use the multiplayer. Remember that I told you in the tutorial how you can do this, but basically you have your session ID here, which you can share with this button, and you can send it to your friend, okay? And that's gonna allow you to basically like share the work, such as one person is gonna run processing while other is gonna hunt or is gonna build. Okay, guys? So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.